it's so bright the moon like almost overshadows it. Well, over brightens it. There she is, right next to the moon there. Boy, we're lucky. The clouds are rolling all around. Just one little window of opportunity here. Okay, there we have Venus. And there's like Saturn and Uranus. And over to the left is the moon with Jupiter. I'll try to get that later on here. So we had Jupiter. Over there is like Uranus. You can't really see it. But down over here is Mars. The bright one right there. And the other planets have already set or are setting to the west, which is more that away. But beautiful, clear. Well, it's not really. It's raining and icing every once in a while, but right now it's beautiful. You have Jupiter, right of the moon. There's the bright one. You have Pleiades, hard to see with this one, and Aldebaran, the bright star below Jupiter. So that's Jupiter. That might be one of his moons way up there. Could be. Now we can see some of her moons. Look at that. Pretty wild. Pleiades is over this way, but it's going to be hard. I can barely see it with the old naked eye. It's up over here to the right and a little bit above Jupiter, pretty far to the right, so I can't really get it. I'll get my other camera. Mars is over here. We got Mars over on this side with 3 other stars in a line there. I need to get my other one for Mars, my other camera. Well, there it is, maybe. Yeah, that's Mars right there, okay. But I can't get real close to it with this one. And the trees are in the way. Goes out of focus. Oh, there we go. See, it's got like 3 stars in a row there. Well, a planet and a couple stars in a row there. And that's where Musk wants to go, the old Mars. Yeah, it's really hard to film because it's like almost straight up. I don't have the gear to quite do this right, but it's still beautiful. Yeah, and that's Mars. Wow, that's one amazing setting moon right between the houses there. Look at that. And the frozen pond. Oh, beautiful. That's Mars tonight with the moon. Next night here. Okay, 13 January, that's the moon with Mars. And a contrail, but hard to see with the bright moon. Saw a shooting star. 9:13 here, Netherlands time. Straight up above me, a little, yeah, more or less. Oh, just went right through Mars, that contrail. Now heading to the moon. So tomorrow, the moon and Mars, basically at moonrise and Mars rise, will be in conjunction. Will be even closer up to the top to the right of the moon then. Yeah, Jupiter's, pretty high up off to a little bit to the right, but my tripod has difficulty staying steady when I go straight up like that. Beautiful night. Not much wind down here, and up in the high altitude I see the contrails are barely moving too. Okay, there's Moon and the Mars really in conjunction now. It's early in the morning next day, 14 January. I mean, it's so bright, the moon like almost overshadows it. Well, over brightens it. There she is, right next to the moon there. Boy, we're lucky. The clouds are rolling all around. Just one little window of opportunity here. Yeah, clouds are rolling right on in on it. Okay, time for a little yogurt. Yeah, just like right there when you're walking, it's pretty much due west. Setting in the due west there. While the sun is rising right behind us there.